Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about basic logic gates of Boolean algebra. Okay, so there are three types of logic gates. Three logic gates are there. First one is not, second is or, and third is and. Okay, not gate, or gate, and gate. Okay, just like the operators. Just like the operators, it is not gate, or gate, and AND gate. Okay, let's find out. First one is not gate. As we learned from uh, our previous video, that not gate is an inverter. It is a negative. Okay, so we call it inverter, complementary, and if the input is true, then the output will be false, and if the input is false, then the output will be true. So and NOT gate works with only one uh, input. Okay, so there is a truth table of NOT gate: 0 1 1 0. Here x is input and y is the output. Okay, next one is OR gate. OR gate, I discussed this OR operator in my last video, that it is logical addition, right? It is logical addition. Now it implies in this gate also, and here you can work with more than one input. Okay, now just see this truth table. Just it is as same as OR operator. Okay, and the final one is AND gate, and it is logical multiplication denoted by the dot. Okay, so there is a truth table of AND gate, and let me find the diagram. Okay, here is all the laws. You don't need to read all this. It is not in your syllabus. Only the De Morgan's theorem. So the De Morgan's theorem, okay, just let me Google it, the diagram of logic gates. Okay, so AND gate, the diagram of AND gate is like this. So if you are asked to draw the diagram of an AND gate, then you will do this. Here A and B is the input, and what we say, A and B, A dot B, the output will be A dot B. Okay, because dot is AND gate is denoted by the symbol dot. Okay, so this is the diagram of AND gate. Similarly, this is the diagram of OR gate, and here the OR gate is denoted by this plus sign. We'll say it A plus B. Okay, A and B is the input, and the output is A plus B. Remember these diagrams. And NOT gate is like this. If A is the input, then A bar is the output. Okay, A bar. This is what the diagrams look like of your gates. And there is another gate is called a NAND gate. NAND gate is basically AND plus NOT, or say NOT plus AND. Okay, so if we imply NOT gate to the output of an AND gate, it will all be reversed. Okay, those ones will become 0, and the zeros will become 1. That's it. That is or NAND gate. these zeros will become 1 and this 1 will become 0. Okay, so this is NAND gate because not plus AND, we are implementing not on the input of an AND gate. Okay, similarly NOR gate, not plus or, if we implement NOT gate in the output of an OR gate, then we'll get the output like this, the inverse form of the OR gate. Okay, so this is NOR. And XOR gate. XOR gate is exclusive OR. Exclusive OR means whenever the input is same, output will be 0. That is all. Whenever the input is same, the output will be 0. Here both of the inputs are 0 0, that is why the output is 0. Here also 1 1, that is why the output is 0. Okay, that is exclusive OR gate. Okay, that is not needed. XNOR not needed, not in your syllabus. So remember all these diagrams. Okay, so let's go back to our main section. Okay, now De Morgan's theorem. There are two theorems. First one is x plus y whole bar equals to, we can write x bar into y bar. There is the first law, De Morgan's law, first law. And the second law is where is the second law? Yes, the second law is if x into y whole bar, then we can write it x bar plus y bar. Okay, now I want you to solve these two laws using prove these two laws using truth table and show me. Okay, just show me. So this is all about De Morgan's law, and some this all not needed. Boolean logic, duality, no. Okay, so that is it, Boolean algebra. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can call me, you can comment it out in the comment section below this video. See you later, take care, bye bye.